Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix unable to install app. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, when you try to install any app on your iPhone and you are facing this issue again and again and not be able to install or not be able to verify that app, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to go back, and after going to back you need to click on settings, click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to click on general, and from here you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and after doing this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to set your date and time on automatically, and guys click on language and region and select your own region according to your country, and after this guys you need to check for software update, and you need to update your device to latest iOS version, and after this you need to go back. So guys, after doing all these settings you have to scroll it below. From here you have to click on screen time, and now you need to click on content and privacy restrictions, and guys now you need to turn it on, and after this guys you need to click on allowed apps and feature, and you need to make sure that you have allow Safari from here, and after this guys you need to go back, and now you need to scroll it below, click on apps, and after this you need to find here Safari. So guys, after finding it you need to open your Safari app and scroll it below. From here guys you need to click on clear history and website data, click on all history, and after this you need to clear history, and after doing all this method your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install any app. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.